Wanna go from this to this. Then keep on watching.
First, I'm going to begin with my brows. I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Beauty Bakery powder in yellow. I'm just going to brush that through my brows. Then I'm going to be using my brow pencil just to outline and fill in
my brows.
Take my spoolie and just brush the product through my brows. I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn to shape my brows. Also, I'll be using a flat concealer brush. To blend out the concealer that I placed under my brows to shape my brows. One brow pretty much complete. I'm gonna clean up or blend out the foundation. Okay, for my eyelids, I'm going to just dip that blending brush in the concealer and blend it out onto my lids as a base for my eyeshadows. Today I will be using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and the shades I will be using from this palette are Bori and Zobo. I'll also be using the Watch Me Blush palette and the shade Berries. Sometimes to find my crease, I tilt my head back and close my lids as much as possible, and I look for where my eye socket meets my eye. Taking the color and just packing it into my crease. I'm not blending yet. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Bori, and I'm going to pack this on the outside of that shade Zobo. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just gonna blend those shadows together. Next, I'm gonna go in with Berries. Now I'm going to cut my crease. Going to be using Old Banana and Strawberry Cream.
I'm I'm now using Zobo to create an ombre effect. Next, I'm gonna line my eye with my NYC liquid liner.
I'm going to be doing my foundation routine. I'm gonna speed that up because I do the same thing all the time. Okay, now that I'm finished with the face, I'm going to continue with my eyes. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to be applying the bright pink shade, Bori. To use my favorite black kohl liner by Rimmel. You can use an applicator like this one, or you can use your fingers, whatever works for you. You're going to want to look down into your mirror. Then you're going to want to stick down for my inner corner highlight. I'm going to use my highlighter. To highlight my nose, my cheekbones, and my cupid's bow. I'm going to line my lips. After that, I'm going to apply lip gloss. And that's it for this ombre glitter cut crease.